Today, I have a fascinating question for you. What can a child's drawing tell us about their development? The answer might surprise you. From the very first scribbles to detailed masterpieces, every drawing is a story, one that reveals how children see, feel, and think about their world. Did you know that drawing is one of the oldest forms of human expression? Think back to prehistoric cave art. Those early marks on stone were the first steps in humans trying to communicate. For kids today, drawing serves a similar purpose. It's fun, creative, and a powerful way for children to express their emotions, build essential skills, and connect what they see in their minds to what they create on paper. So let's talk a little bit about why learning to draw is such a crucial part of childhood development and how it grows with each stage, from those joyful scribbles to drawing their first person, and finally to creating detailed works of art that reflect their inner world. Stick with me as we share and talk about encouraging your little artists and a free printable packet to help them get started. So let's start at the beginning, scribbling. Scribbling may look random, but it's actually a vital developmental milestone. Those early marks on paper help children understand how to control tools like crayons and pencils. It builds fine motor skills, visual motor coordination, and even a sense of cause and effect. Research also suggests that drawing is a reflection of what children feel and think, not just what they see. Through scribbles, they begin to communicate their inner world, laying the foundation for more complex skills. As kids progress, they start drawing simple people. And this stage marks a huge leap in development as children begin to understand proportions, body awareness, and spatial relationships. The draw a person test has been used by professionals, sometimes occupational therapists, to kind of give a clinical observation of drawings to get some developmental insights. And research shows that drawing a person isn't just about art, it helps children connect what they know about their own bodies to the marks they make on paper. It's a skill that reflects their visual spatial awareness, fine motor development, and the ability to follow sequential steps. As children's skills grow, so do the details in the drawings, and they begin to add features like eyes, noses, clothing, ears, hats. They may even experiment with perspective or storytelling through their art. And at this stage, drawing becomes a creative outlet for self expression. Research supports that drawing can be a therapeutic tool, helping children process emotions or represent their understanding of social situations like bullying or family dynamics. And whether a child draws a happy face or a complex scene, every drawing offers a glimpse into their thoughts, feelings, and perceptions. So if you're looking to help children build their drawing skills, there's a ton of resources on your therapy source. But recently, I just added one. There's a free printable packet to go along with a new How to Draw a Person song. This is a really great multi-sensory activity for kids to practice these skills of drawing a person. So the free packet includes a template to follow along with the song, a step-by-step guide to pre-teach skills if you need to, and then there's a tracing page for more advanced practice. And you can download it for free. You can find the link in the description. So, drawing isn't just about creating pictures, it's about developing essential life skills. From scribbles to detailed art, every stage builds fine motor skills needed for writing and other tasks, like visual spatial awareness for problem solving, body awareness, and understanding proportions. And it's a really great way to express thoughts and emotions. And remember, research even shows that drawing can provide unique insights into a child's development, from cognitive abilities to emotional well being. It's an activity that's as meaningful as it is fun. So thanks for listening today about the importance of drawing, and whether it's scribbling, drawing a simple person, or creating a masterpiece, every mark matters. Don't forget to download the free printable packet and check out more resources at yourtherapysource.com. Like, subscribe, and share this video to help others explore the magic of drawing. See you next time.